Today I'll be showing you how to make this high fiber, high protein pasta salad, no oil, perfect for summer, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based diet. Here on my channel you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that are super easy to make. Please check out the description box for the full recipe and for all the resources I offer. I also have some discount codes down there, so it's worth taking a look. So it is officially summer, it's warm, and sometimes you just want a nice, light, easy meal, and that's what I'm going to show you today. This no oil pasta salad is absolutely wonderful for that. We're going to be using some chickpea pasta, and so it's going to be higher in protein, higher in fiber. I'm going to add a ton of veggies to it, a really light dressing, and it's also great for weight loss. So let's get started. We're going to start by getting our pasta in the water here, and I'm using this chickpea pasta. There's 21 grams of protein in this whole box, and we're going to use the entire box. You can do whatever shape you want. I like the rotini. And then we're just gonna let this cook for about 8 minutes. I like it to be al dente. So we'll let this cook, and then we're just gonna put the salad together, and it's gonna come together super quick. So for the dressing, we're just going to make a double batch of the 3-2-1 dressing. And the vinegar I'm gonna be using today is the white balsamic peach from Rocky Mountain Olive Oil Company. I love California balsamic, but I also love this company as well, so I use both. But if you have some California balsamic flavored vinegar, go ahead and use that. So we're going to start with 6 tablespoons of the vinegar. And we've got 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then we're just going to put the lid on, shake it up, and this is going to go over the whole salad. Alright, so I drained the pasta, I put it in the bowl, and I like to do this when it's still a little bit warm. And these are going to be the toppings. These are going to be what I add in. So I've got some red and orange bell pepper, onion, sweet onion, celery, a little bit of edamame for that pop of color for the green. I've got some chickpeas, olives, and tomatoes. You can do whatever combo you want, and I used my vegetable chopper to make it very finely diced. So I'm just going to throw these all in, and this is going to be a lot of veggies, and that's what I like. And this is how you make it a bit more low calorie density, by adding in all these veggies. You could use peas in here if you want to do that instead of edamame. And this is why I like to prep everything the night before, because then you can just throw it all together. It's awesome. All right. Now we've got the dressing, and we're not going to use all this, but if this is just to taste. So you just pour some on. And you just want to toss it real well. And I always get too small of a bowl. I feel like that's my MO. So you just want to mix this real well so everything gets distributed throughout. And then I like to put it in the fridge and get all the flavors together, but you could certainly serve it warm as well. And then the last thing I like to put on is a little bit of cilantro. This is optional. If you wanted to put some red pepper flakes on, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to stick this in the fridge, let it cool for a bit, and then we'll give it a taste. I am truly excited about this one. This is one of my favorite recipes. So easy. That dressing, it's just so light, it's perfect. And I just did salt and pepper to taste. One more bite. So good. I really like it chilled better than warm, but like I said, you can do it either way. And this is a great side dish. And by adding all those vegetables, it helps lower the calorie density. And you're still getting your pasta. It's a really good dish. So I hope you give this one a try. And it makes a ton. Great for your cookouts or whatever you're doing this summer. So if you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like, share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with pasta salad, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate your support. Be sure to check out the description box for the full recipe and all the resources I offer. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.